Hi primary stage. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learner's Teacher Iman channel. Today we have many tasks in our video. First of all, we will explain the tense, present simple tense in this video, and then I would like to have some pronunciation. I would like to pronounce. Then I have a text reading to improve your language. So the video today is full of tasks. Okay. So before I will go to our video today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today I will explain you the present simple tense. I would like to study these sentences with me to know more about the present simple tense. Here we say this called daily sentence or routine, as we do. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So here this called what? This called the routine. So this is called this is used in the present simple form. I have my breakfast at 6:30 every day. I catch the bus at 7 o'clock. I arrive to school at 7:30. I come back school at 1:30. I have my lunch at 2 in the afternoon. I do my homework at 3 o'clock. I play with my friend at 4 o'clock on Saturday. I watch television at 5 o'clock. I play computer games at 6:30 in the evening. I have dinner at 8 o'clock. I bake my bag at 8:30. I go to sleep at 9 o'clock every day. So here we see that we see the daily sentence of the routine. So here we use the present simple tense. I would like to make your mind to know because I don't want to make a traditional explaining of present simple. That present simple is usually, always, sometimes, often, and so on. So I would like to say the keywords of the present simple, and I would like to explain the present simple tense, but I would like to know this from the sentence, okay? To study from the sentence, like this, okay? Let's go to our, to continue our lesson. Let's go to continue our lesson. Here we talk about the present simple tense. The present simple tense is used to expressing habits and facts and routines. Okay, here is some what is the formula of this tense? The formula of this tense know by adding s to the verb like this. M is r. Sorry, no. He, she, it. M is r. You, we, they. Don't take s. Okay. He, she, it take s. And you, we, they, I don't take s. Like this. I play football every day. He plays basketball. Ali studies English. I'm ready for exam. When I talk about the negative or the question form, what can I do? I use don't or doesn't. And when we have doesn't, the verb must be returned to the scheme of the infinitive form. When we say this without this sentence, without the negative, it will be what? She writes emails. So when I don't want to make a negative form, I write doesn't without adding s to the infinitive form. And this is the same in the past simple. When we put didn't, you can't put the verb in the past. You put the verb in the scheme form like this. Okay, the same in present simple, same in the past simple also. Okay, let's continue the rest of our lesson today. Here we use never can be replaced don't. Yeah, we can say it like this. We say he never writes or they never write. So when we make it negative, they don't write or he doesn't write. Okay. As we told you before, that do replace what? Replace s and does replace s. Do you play football? Do is not have a problem, but the problem in does, because does the singular verb take s. So he must take care when you answer. So the answer to be, does he play football? Some of you saying, Miss Iman, when I put s in this sentence, it will be what? It will be 0. Okay. I don't want to tell this again. Okay. It will be 0. Why? Because as we told you before, that does replace what? Replace the s. You must know this sentence. You must know this. Okay. This rule. Let's go to another one. Here is the facts. We have the sun rises in the east. the earth is bigger than the moon. So this is called facts. As we told you, the present simple tense used with facts, habits, and routines. Okay. Here we have some frequently adverbs used with present simple, used with present simple, which is always, sometimes, usually, often, never. Always means the habit is happening with what? With 100%. Never, the habits can't be happened, or 0%. Okay, this is the difference between the habit happen in 100% and the habit doesn't happen with 0%. Basant always goes to school by car. They usually visit their uncle. Here is some exercise. I would like to answer this exercise with me. He speaks English every day. So here, he is what? Is singular. Which one is correct? I'm listening. You said, man, that's the number B. So this one. It will be this one. Let's go to another one. She doesn't. As we told you before, that when we have doesn't, the verb must be in what? In the STEM form. To be go. They space write letters. So here we have the verb in the STEM form. So they text what? Do or does. Text don't. So they don't. She spaced ready for the exam. She isn't ready. It will be here, she isn't ready, because here is the main verb here. She always space his bed. She always what? Makes, means tidy his bed. Here we have I do. So when we ask with do you like tennis? Yes, I do. Okay. We have rest of the exercise. I will leave the rest of this exercise to do it by yourself at home. Okay. Here is we have do as shown. Let's do it together. I answer some of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Here we have I. I text S or not? No, not text S. So it will be here I play. Here it will be I don't. Here it will be here does. It will be does. Why? Because he is singular. So I put here does. He never what? He never writes. I answer 5 and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Here we have do. So do text what? Does or do or does text helping verb to. Okay. I will leave the rest of this exercise to do it by yourself as a homework. Let's go to the next part of our next item of our video today. Today I will explain only simple tense. Next class I will explain the present continuous tense. Let's go to next part here. Here we have, we have here some pronunciation. I would like to pronounce with me. Here we use, here we have some vocab pronounced as K, the others as S, and so on. Here we have, let's repeat these words together. Here we have cat. Cat is pronounced as what? As cat. Cat, car, cow, cat. Cat, car, cow, and cat. Let's go to another, to the next one. Here we have letter C, which is pronounced as S. Here we have circle, circle, center, December. Circle, center, December. C, H is pronounced H, like chair, cheese, chase. Chair, cheese, and chase. Here we have SH, which is shirt, dash, brush. Shirt, dash, brush. Here we have GH, which is don't pronounce, which is not pronounced in the word. Like what? Like night, high, delighted. Night, high, delighted. Here we have N to be silent, can't pronounce. Like what? No, knife, knock. No, knife, knock. Here we have could, talk, should. Talk, could, talk, should. Mother, brother, that. To be the pronounced TH. Mother, brother, and that. Think, sang, think. Saying, theater. Think, sang, theater. Here we have the pronunciation chin, chin. To be education, information, situation. Education, information, situation. Where, which hour. Here we say when we use an indefinite article, we use indefinite article and. Why? Because here we treated with hour as O, not H. It will be, we say an hour, okay? An hour. So it will be where, which hour. Here is we have temperature, future, picture. Photo, BH is pronounced as F. Photo, phone, and elephant. Television, decision, revision. Television, decision, and revision. Decision, it will be here decision. It will be pronounced as J. Decision, revision, television. It will be here result. Result will pronounce as what? As Z. S is pronounced as Z. Result, busy, opposite. Result, busy, opposite. There is nice, rise, fine. Nice, rise, and fine. Make, male, female. Okay. By this pronunciation, let's go to the reading part. Okay. We have here two texts. I would like to read it to improve your language. Let's read this text together. Okay. I will make this part for reading to improve your reading, because reading is also an important skill in English, to understand the meaning, and to understand the text that we answer in the exam. Okay, here we say, when Hannah Gouda first started playing table tennis at the age of 4, her talent for sport quickly became clear. However, there was a problem. The table was too high for her. What can we do? Her coaches asked, seeing how much she wanted to play. In the end, they made the legs shorter so that the table was slower. Since then, Hannah has improved year after year. She amazed the table tennis world by her speed and focus. Born on 12th December 2007, Hannah became Egyptian's youngest ever national champion in 2019 at age of 12. Just 1 year later, she came top of the international table. This is the abbreviation. This is the abbreviation of International Table Tennis Federation. This is the abbreviation of this sentence. ITTF, International Table Tennis Federation, under 15 women's world rankings. The first African and Arab player to do so. Then in 2022, she won a top award at ITTF African Cup in Lagos. What an achievement! The United Nations chose Hannah to take part in Shabab Balad, a project in Egypt to help young people learn and contact in the world of work. Although Hannah is still younger than many of her opponents, she works just as hard as any older player. She has also spoken about how important it's for her to take things step by step, always learning and trying hard to achieve her factories. Hannah really enjoys practicing for long hours every day, even if it's hard work. She's showing young people in Egypt that not only is it possible to make your dreams come true, but you can also enjoy the journey, even if the road is difficult. From this text preparatory stage, we learn that if we have dreams, we must work hard to achieve these dreams. Okay, this is the moral or the value from this text. By this text, we end from our video today. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.